Stop guessing and start fixing. Here's how to troubleshoot your Hyundai Elantra's backup camera. First things first, check if your camera lens is clean. Dirt and grime can easily block the view. Give it a gentle wipe with a microfiber cloth. Still not working? Let's move on. Check the display settings on your infotainment system. Make sure the camera is turned on and the brightness is adjusted correctly. Next, let's pop the trunk. Look for any loose or damaged wiring near the camera. Sometimes a simple reconnection can do the trick. If the camera is still not responding, it might be time for a system reset. Find your car's manual and follow the steps to reset the infotainment system. This can often resolve minor software glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's best to consult a professional. There could be a deeper issue that needs expert attention. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your Hyundai Elantra's backup camera can be straightforward with these steps. Keep your car safe and your drive smooth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips and tricks.